Today we will be learning the next category of SQL built-in functions, and those functions are SQL conversion functions. The first function is to_number function. This function is used to convert a character string of type varchar2 or char into a number. By mistake or accidentally you have entered a number in a single quote string, then you can convert the string into a number using the function to_number. Here in the example, 97.13 is considered as a string because it is enclosed within single quotes. So we can convert this string, which is actually a number, into a number using to_number function. Next function is to_char function. It is used to convert the date type into Oracle string. The syntax is to_char, the date value, comma, format string. The next function is to_date function, which is the reverse of to_char function. To_date function will convert the string into Oracle date. The syntax is to_date string, comma, format string. Both the functions to_char function and to_date functions take an extra parameter, and that parameter is format string. What is this format string? We will learn this. So when you are using to_char function and the format string is 4 times y, means what? You want the value in 4-digit number. If you want to get a 2-digit year, then you can write 2 times y. If you want to get the value in 3 abbreviated month value, then you can write MON. If you want to get the complete month name, then you can write MONTH, month. That is, it will give you the name of the month. Similarly, it gives you a value, numeric value from 1 to 12 for the month. DY, that is, it will give you day, first 3 characters of the day name. 2 times T, it will give you the day value. HH24, it will give you hours in 25 format, or if you are simply writing HH or H12, then it will give you a value of hour in 12 hours format. MI means minute, SS means second. Now format string used with to_date and to_char. In both the situations you can use the same format string. It is number for month, RM, that is Roman value for the number, and next of them you can refer function extract function. Extract function, it is used to extract date or interval value. A date is you can be used to extract year, month and day, while the timestamp can also be extracted using time zone hour, time zone minute. Means what? From a date value you can extract individual portions of the date. It can be year, month, day, even time zone, that is hours, minutes and seconds. So here what we have written, select extract year from date. Date is what? 2004 7 2000 and 2. Year, what we want to extract? Only year we want to extract. Next, what we want to extract? We want to extract the month. From which date? Sys date. And from which table? Dual table. So the value will be, which is returned, is year and month.